Hey everybody! The Spanish-speaking population is the fastest growing demographic here in the United States. Approximately 30% of the population right here in the Metro Denver area where I live is comprised of native Spanish speakers, putting tremendous pressure on businesses and community organizations and a huge demand for bilingual Spanish-English speaking people here in Denver. Over 40,000 new migrants from Venezuela have arrived since 2023 alone. Hola, I'm David Profe, an experienced English and Spanish teacher with unmatched expertise in second language acquisition and a true pioneer in conversational teaching techniques. I'm also the creator of the Let's Start Talking Conversational Spanish and English program, specializing in bringing the English and Spanish speaking communities together. My life mission is dedicated to helping people unlock their full potential through education, communication, and spiritual growth, which will have a positive impact on our world and strengthen our local communities. Since 2001, I've been helping Spanish speaking English students who struggled to understand their teachers and the material they were learning, who were stuck in the anxiety phase of culture shock, break through and assimilate to American culture, who felt uncomfortable doing things in the community without the help of their kids to translate, who fell into low paying jobs that were physically demanding or had terrible schedules, or who sacrificed everything, leaving family and friends behind in hopes of living the American dream. I'm deeply committed to being the best English teacher in the world and teaching Spanish speaking adults how to start speaking English with confidence and assimilate to American culture so they can better communicate at work, in their communities, and during their travels in the United States.